Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Random Box Unbox channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to properly set up your on-screen fingerprint reader on your Galaxy S10 Plus. This is just what I found out to have worked for me. I hope it does work for you as well. Without further ado, this is your boy Sky, and let's just get into that. Ladies and gentlemen, so here we have the Galaxy S10 Plus. So let's go ahead and set this up. I'm going to use the facial recognition right now to unlock it. So you see that was pretty quick. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your app tray. You're gonna go to settings. If you can't access settings through there, because I do have my app tray enabled, you can scroll down from the top. You can click the settings logo right there. Then you're gonna scroll down a little bit and you're gonna go to biometrics and security. You're gonna hit that, and here you see I have one fingerprint that's been registered. You can also remove that if you'd like, if you do have any, or you can remove all four. Now you're gonna click on add fingerprint, and you see the phone asks you to add your fingerprint this way, which is unnatural. It's rare that you're going to hold your phone that way. You're most likely going to hold your phone like this. So you want to make sure that when you add that fingerprint that it just you're holding the phone in the way that you would normally carry it, or when you take it out of your pocket, for instance. So let's go ahead and just set this up. And as you're doing this, try to just touch every side of your finger as you're doing this. And guys, you know, you can also use other fingers within the same fingerprint scan. You don't have to just stick to one finger, and I tend to do that a lot. So in this case, I'm just gonna do one finger, which is my right hand, and I'm just gonna pretend that I grab my phone, and that's what I did. And don't press it too hard, just press it light, because normally you won't press your phone really hard. And now you see towards the end, it actually asks you to do what I was saying, which is just kind of do this, kind of do this, do this, and try to get every angle of your finger. So done. Let's add another one, and now let's do the other hand. So this is how I would normally grab my phone, and I want to make sure I also do kind of like the tip of your finger, the sides, the center. Just try to get every angle in there, because you're normally, when you're in a hurry and you're trying to unlock your phone, you're not trying to position your finger in a way that you're really thinking about it. You're just doing it. So that's that. And now the third one that I'm actually going to add is going to be a mix of both. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this, do this, we're just going to continue on adding. So what I do is I do 3 and 3. Now I did 2 and 2 for the last ones. And now I'm also going to do 1, 2, 1, and that would be it. So now let's give this a try. So let's lock the phone and let's see if it actually works. First try. So let's do it again, and that's it right there. There is another thing you can do if this is not working out for you. You can actually go to your settings again, and you can go to display, and you can scroll down a little bit and go to touch sensitivity, and you can turn that on. What this will do is it will make your screen more sensitive to touch. Now, this should make your fingerprint scanner also a little bit more sensitive to touch. So as you can see now, let's try the other finger as well. And there you have it. Guys, and about the fingerprint scanner, not everyone has easy fingerprints to read. So if this doesn't work out for you, please use the facial recognition. That's the one I personally use. I actually prefer it over the fingerprint scanner. The on-screen fingerprint scanner is cool and all, but I prefer that. Back when I had my Galaxy S10 Plus, I used to use the iris scanner, which I thought that was pretty cool, and I was sad to see that go, but the facial recognition will do. But Sky, then the government will have all of our pictures. They already have all of your pictures. They're all over Facebook and Instagram. Everyone knows it. Now, if you work for the CIA and the FBI and you're afraid that someone's gonna fool your phone with a picture of you, I get it. But in this case, the only Central Intelligence Agency trying to fool your phone with a picture of you is your wife or your husband. So good luck with that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you all enjoyed this video and that it helped you to properly set up your Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus on-screen fingerprint scanner. Don't forget that you can also use this method on any other phone. Just don't try to do it the same way that it's asking you to do it. It's just not natural. So if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your time. This is your boy Sky, and I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.